Now student, look here, there are two parallel lines. So we can say this inclination will be equal. Theta 1 equal to theta equal when? When lines are parallel. Okay. So inclination will be equal. Taking tan both sides, tan theta 1 equal to tan theta, we can say their slope will be equal. So parallel line, we can say slopes are equal, right? So parallel line, we can say slopes are equal, right? So student, if we get lines are perpendicular to each other, what we can see here? Let it here is theta 1, here is theta 2, their inclination is theta 2, they are perpendicular line. So exterior angle theta 2 will be equal to 90 plus theta 1. Okay. So if lines are perpendicular, then we can say from figure theta 2 equal to 90 plus theta 1, right? So taking tan both side, tan 90 plus theta 1, we can say minus cot theta 1, and it is minus 1 upon tan theta 1. 90, using 90 in trigonometry, you know tan is change in cot theta. It is in second cot, therefore tan is negative, it is minus, now cot is 1 upon 10. Now this one is m2, okay, so this one is m1. So we can say their product is equal to minus 1 if lines are perpendicular. Okay, if lines are perpendicular, their product will be minus 1, right? Okay student, so now we can see here, if there are two lines intersect each other at angle theta, that it is theta 1, it is theta 2. So what about this theta? Okay, so we can say theta 2 equal to theta plus theta 1. Why? Exterior angle, right? It is exterior, therefore theta 2 equal to theta plus theta 1, right? So we can say here this one is there, theta is equal to theta 2 minus theta 1. So theta is equal to theta 2 minus theta 1. Using this formula, we elaborate this formula taking tan both sides, and tan equal to tan theta 2 minus theta 1. Know the formula tan A minus tan B, tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. So using this formula, we can find the tan theta, and now you know this is m2 of this line and this is m1, right? So we can say this formula also tells us if we know the slope of the line, then we can find the tan theta between the line. What we have learned here, intersect angle between two lines. Intersect angle between two lines. What is theta here? Theta is intersect angle between two lines, right? So using this formula, we can find, right? Okay student, so now again elaborate this. Now you can see here in this angle, if one is theta, second is 180 minus theta, means if it is acute, it is obtuse. So tan is positive, tan theta 180 minus theta is negative. So theta, one answer is theta, and other answer is 180 minus theta. One answer is theta, okay, and other is 180 minus theta. So you have to give these two answers, theta and 180 minus theta, right? Now look here, if the equation is given in this form, y equal to m1x plus c1 y equal to m2x plus c2, right? So directly you can find m1 upon m2 from here and put this value in the questions, right? Okay, now in the next lecture we will know if the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then slope will be minus a upon b. This will be learned in the next lecture, m equal to minus a upon b. So we can say if two lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, then m1 equal to minus a1 upon b1, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, then m2 equal to minus a2 upon b1, b2. So using this formula, tan theta equal to plus minus, plus for acute angle minus for obtuse angle, we put m2 equal to minus a2 upon b2 minus a1 upon b1. So this way we can ablate this formula. We can solve the questions using this formula also. Okay, so taking the LCM here, we can find in easily way b2 b1 LCM, then minus a2 b1 and plus a1 b2, right? a2 minus b1 plus a1 b2 upon and b2 b1 LCM, then b2 b1 plus a1 a2, right? LCM b1 b2 will be cancel out. Okay, now this formula, how we learn this formula? Okay, now tan theta equal to plus minus, we can write this formula this way: a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. First cross multiply and taking minus, we can write this way: b1 a1 e2 minus a2 b1 upon, and then multiply this way: a1 a2 plus b1 b2, right? This way we can write the formula also, angle between two lines, angle between two lines, right? Now look here, if this is 0, then angle is 0. If this is 0, then angle is 90 degree. Okay, so for parallel line, the condition is a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is 0. Okay, for perpendicular line a1 a2 plus b1 b2 equal to 0. This is the important conditions. You can learn this for objective questions, you can use directly. Okay, it is also we can say m1 equal to m2 and m1 m2 equal to minus 1. This condition also you can write, right? So student, go through this topic. Now in the next lectures we will study the more points about the line. Okay.